How to deposit money into MetaTrader 5 real account. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money into a MetaTrader 5 real trading account. Keep in mind that MT5 is just a trading platform and deposits are usually processed through your broker, not directly by MetaTrader itself. So start by opening MT5 app and logging into your real trading account. Make sure you're connected to your broker's live server and not a demo account. Depending on your broker, you may see a deposit button right over here somewhere in the settings. So you're going to simply click on that if it is available. So tap it, open the funding page. So some brokers instead redirect you to their website or client portal for deposits. So what you got to do is simply select your preferred payment method such as a bank card, bank transfer, e-wallet, or another option supported by your broker. Available payment methods vary from broker to broker, so you're going to simply type the amount you want to deposit, review the details carefully, and proceed with the payment. Follow any additional verification steps required by your broker, and once the payment is complete, the funds should appear in your trading account after processing. Processing times can vary depending on the payment method and broker. And if you don't see deposits in MT5, log into your broker's client area and fund your account from there. Many brokers handle all deposits and withdrawals through their own websites rather than inside the MT5 platform.